Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use the WooCommerce plugin in WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com. If you've not already and ever opened it up, you'll be greeted by this main page where you want to go ahead and log into your account in the upper right corner. So after logging into your account successfully, you'll be greeted by the home page right here where at the left side screen you can find all the sections we can access such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started using WooCommerce to turn our WordPress into a store. So basically what we're looking for guys is right here at the left side screen. You want to find the plugins section. So after finding the plugin section, go ahead and open it up and it's going to open up this new main page where you can take a look at all the plugins you can use, and you will notice that immediately in the main page you'll be able to find WooCommerce. But if you do not see it right here, what we are going to use is the search bar right here. So we are going to search for WooCommerce. So this is now going to open up the results page right here after searching for it and going to give us a list of all the WooCommerce options we have. And what we can do guys is go ahead and open up this first one right here. This is the WooCommerce application we want to use. So after opening it up, as you can see, you will need an upgraded plan to be able to use it. I'm currently in a free plan, so I cannot install it. But if you have your plan ready and upgraded, all you have to do is just click the activate button right here that's going to appear. Click the activate button and this is going to enable you to proceed with the steps of setting up the plugins for yourself, entering all the details like how you want to use it and so on. And after that guys, just go ahead and add it to your website and get started using the plugin and WooCommerce. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.